Welcome, students, to Virtual Teaching Tutor. Welcome to an introduction to coefficients in scientific notation. Understanding coefficients in scientific notation is essential for working with large and small numbers in a manageable format. Scientific notation expresses numbers as a product of a coefficient and a power of 10, making it easier to handle calculations and comparisons. The coefficient is a critical component, always falling between 1 and 10, representing the significant digits of the number. In this tutorial, we will explore the definition of coefficients in scientific notation and provide clear examples to illustrate how they function within this mathematical framework. By examining two specific examples, we will clarify the concept of coefficients and their associated properties, such as exponents. This understanding is key to mastering scientific notation and its applications in various fields, including science and engineering. Join us as we break down the concept of coefficients, their importance, and how they relate to the overall structure of scientific notation. Let's start with the definition of coefficient in scientific notation. In scientific notation, the coefficient is the number that is multiplied by a power of 10. It is always a number greater than or equal to 1 and less than 10. The coefficient plays a crucial role in expressing the value of the number in a compact form. The following examples are based on previous examples from scientific notation VTT S1E1 25. Example 1, 4,500,000. In scientific notation, this number is expressed as 4.5 times 10 to the power of 6. Coefficient. The coefficient here is 4.5. The property, exponent, is 6. Example 2, 0.00032. In scientific notation, this number is expressed as 3.2 times 10 to the power of negative 4. Coefficient. The coefficient here is 3.2. The property, exponent, is negative 4. Here's a summary of coefficients. For 4,500,000, the coefficient is 4.5 from 4.5 times 10 to the power of 6. For 0.00032, the coefficient is 3.2 from 3.2 times 10 to the power of negative 4. Again, what is the definition of coefficient in scientific notation? This definition highlights the significance of the coefficient as the primary numerical value in scientific notation, which represents the magnitude of the number adjusted by the power of 10. If you enjoyed this video, we would greatly appreciate it if you could share it with your family and friends. Your support means a lot to us. Don't forget to click the thumbs up button to show your appreciation. Subscribe to our channel for more fantastic content and make sure to hit the notification bell so you'll be alerted as soon as we release our next video. If you're interested in tutoring sessions, feel free to contact me at jriverstar@gmail.com. Support our mission. Visit our website and donate via the link below to make a difference today. Thank you for watching, and we love hearing your thoughts in the comments.